Hello investors! Recently I've been asked to analyze a new company from a Titan member. Recommendation from a Titan member who has access to my portfolio. And that company right now is Figma. Ticker symbol FIG. And it's quite interesting because right now this company seems quite undervalued. And let me explain why. Current market cap 11 billion. Always check with other sources because sometimes Google Finance shows the wrong numbers. So let's check also on Yahoo Finance and 11 billion. So current market cap 11 billion. And why I consider that this company seems quite undervalued, because if you look at the price from its IPO 25, $122, today a decline over 82%. So this is a massive disaster. Of course, they also got hit by the AI fears plus Iran war, and the price got to a level of about $21 per share. And here is the interesting thing about this company Figma. Keep in mind this number, market cap 11 billion. If you know the history of this company, how they ended up with an IPO, is that in 2022, Adobe announced an agreement to acquire Figma for $20 billion. So, in 2022, you have two important factors here, indicators. 20 billion, Adobe wanted to pay 20 billion in 2022. Now, let's compare the price back in 2022, 20 billion. Adobe was willing to pay 20 billion. Of course, a premium, current market cap 11 billion. So you can see a double from this level, right? If you value this company based on what others are willing to pay, a double can easily have a double from this level. But this is not all. Adobe announced this price in September 2022. What does it mean? Well, in 2022, if you check their performance, 2022 revenue in 2022 was how much? Less than $500 million. 23 was 500 million. So this is a growing company. Less than $500 million. And now 25, as they made over 1 billion. This means the valuation should go to, again, a double. From 20 billion what Adobe paid to 40 billion. And if that's true, 40 billion, current market cap of 11 billion, you can have a 4x on your investment from this level, right? Can that happen? 4x to have from this level, $21, price to go $80, back to $80, something like this? Yes, it can happen as long as they continue to grow. And so far, if you look at the results, if they continue to grow, this means your valuation can be higher than 4x. I mean, your return can be higher than 4x. Because if you look at their presentation here, they also offer guidance for Q1 and full year 2026. And they expect for 26 around 1.3 billion in revenue. So higher than 1 billion. This means increase over 30%. Now, why the price is going down when you see potential upside of 4x or even more than 4x? Well, if you look here at the growth rate revenue, 40% last year, right? 40%. Quarterly, still 40%, that's great. Now the net income went down when you see that, quite bad, so 40%. Now if you look at their guidance, they didn't provide a growth rate, but the growth rate from 1 billion to 1.36, 46%. So a slow in the growth rate, but still high, in my view. Still high. The company grows by 40%, especially when they have billions, 1 billion, more than 1 billion in revenue. That's quite a lot. So you have lower growth rate, and that was expected because when a company reaches 1 billion, the growth rate won't be that high, 40%. less, 30, 20%. As long as they maintain the growth rate about 20% in the revenue, and they also are able to turn again this company profitable, for sure you'll have 4x, at least 4x from this level. Right? So the upside, easily a double. Best case scenario, at least 4x on your investment, from what I see. Now, what's wrong with this company? Because this is the upside. A double 2x to 4x, at least 4x, right? What's the downside? Well, first thing, yes, AI fears. That's quite an interesting thing because here in this case, AI can affect their business model. They are still in the early stages. They still invest a lot in R&D, and they haven't built that moat over the years. I mean, to build an ecosystem. For the moment, they have some interesting products. I've tested their Figma design. Quite interesting how they do it. By the way, I'm not a full-time designer. I don't know exactly all the details, but what I can say, I like it, the way it works, Figma design. They also started to expand to launch the developer market for development seats. Okay, they say for every one designer, there are often 3 to 5 developers who need to inspect files. Then whiteboarding tool, here the competition is quite tough. And Figma AI, they combine their seat-based fees with AI credit consumption. Okay, that's great. My only problem is that competition. First, they compete with Adobe. They have Adobe XD, if you know this product. They compete here directly. So Adobe wanted to buy Figma Integrate to expand their own product. And Adobe already has a moat with the other applications. Then for whiteboard, here the competition is quite tough. I mean, especially with AI, everybody can create a whiteboard. And there are a lot of competitors here. I mean, whiteboards you also see from products from Microsoft and also Google, and also, I'm not sure, Amazon, but there are a lot of competitors. And here, code first. Here, I can tell you exactly, but if you search, again, a lot of competitors. I can tell you exactly who is the best, but a lot of competitors also here. And then AI Disruptor for their designer, Canva, Lovable, and other small pets. And this is my biggest fear. Not, let's say, Adobe. Maybe they can make a deal together, grow together. My biggest concern is the other competitors. They can do the same thing. As Figma doesn't have yet their ecosystem built. But as you can see, they are trying to offer more and more products to make their customers sticky. And so far, they prove that they're doing the right thing. Growth in revenue and retention. And that's quite good. What I'm saying is, look over the corner. Look at the competition, because that's the biggest fear. Because competition right now will force Figma, let me show you here, to invest a lot in research and development. It's like this. They make 1 billion revenue, but 1 billion is spent on research and development. Just to keep up with the new, of course, with the new growth rate, with the demand, but also to stay ahead of the other small players. And they are forced to do this. And because of this, they report a loss over 1.2 billion. And this is quite bad. So they are in the early stages, growing, invest also in their growth, but also to keep up with the new competitors. It's not like they have already an advantage over the others and they can generate a lot of profits. So this is a concern, a risk you have to be aware. Plus, because they have to invest so much in R&D, here you can see the number of shares over the last 3 years. It has increased from 168 million to 347. And every time you see something like this, doubling the number of shares, the price goes down by 50%. And you already seen that. A decline of over 50%. So, competition, high spending, R&D, I'm not saying this is bad, because if they build their advantages over the others, in the long term they can become profitable. Once they become profitable, they'll stop issuing more shares. And by the way, you might say that the founders owns quite a large stake in this company. Yes, they own, but look at their classes of shares, class A and class B, and the founder, class B here, shares authorized and outstanding here 24.25 is going down, but common shares are going up 400, so even more than 300 million, went up from 124 to 442. So the founders are not affected by this dilution because they have a different class of shares that is not available for common investors. So don't think that you are aligned with the management. Still, this valuation, yes, you can have a double as long as also you need some things that will happen. High growth rate over 20-30% over the next 3 to 5 years. And then the AI fears to go away. Once that happens, yes, you can have at least a double from this company. But if the growth rate continues to decline from 40% to, let's say, 25 and so on, also the AI fears persist, and they also are forced to invest in R&D, all their revenue, then the rebound won't come that fast. So it's a risky investment, Figma. It's not something high probability to happen, certain. For sure, from this level, we rebound. Once they run over hands, almost, they have a deal, the ceasefire, then AI for sure will, that fear will go away and you'll have a rebound. For sure, you'll have a rebound. You already see pre-market increase over 3%. So yes, from this level, if you buy right now, you can make a profit. I think you can make a profit. But also be aware of these spendings, because this spending, yes, will increase the price up, but as they issue more shares, the price will go again down. So here it's like, yes, the AI fears my end, but you face the risk of dilution. So the risk, in my view, is quite over medium, high. You have high opportunity if they succeed, they do the right thing, but also the risk is quite high in my view. I mean, for my style of investing, this risk is high. Now, to give you also some good news, they have in cash 1.7 billion, around between 1.6 and 1.7, and current market cap 11 billion. So they have some cash to continue their investment in their research, but don't think that cash will be sent to shareholders. No, they will continue to invest in R&D and grow their business. Now, let's hope for the best. I'm not saying don't invest or get out or this is bad. I expect, as I said, 4x is also possible. I mean, you have chances. Think that Adobe was willing to pay 20 billion for this company. If they have another deal like this to be acquired by another company, of course the price will be higher than 20 billion. You will end up with a double, at least a double. So it's up to you if you want to get into this company. What I can tell you is that I have far better investment ideas where the risk is quite low in my portfolio. And if you are interested, I can help you. Right now I can help you, because right now we have great investment ideas Go to my YouTube profile, press join, scroll down. First you see Gladiator, but you scroll down and here Titan. And I have access to my portfolio. Right now, my investments are going up a lot. Right now, I mean, my Titan members can confirm that they already know what I own. And they are still undervalued. So if you join today, I recommend you join as fast as possible to buy these positions. If you are interested, of course, if you like my style of investing. My style of investing is quite picky with low risk and reward more than a double. So if you want to join, don't waste time. Right now is your lifetime opportunity because you have cheap prices due to Iran war, AI fears, plus other things. And now they are rebounding, are going up. So it's worth taking your chance right now because otherwise you won't be able to double your money in 1 year. There is also a challenge that this year I expect a double in my portfolio. And if that happens, I'll also double the prices for new Titan members. Current members that maintain their subscription will have the same prices for a long period of time. And by joining this level, you can also look at my past performance. When I made the videos, when I bought and when I sold. That's why I was able to achieve this performance. Compound annual growth rate over 30% and over a longer period, 4 years. Plus, besides this, you get another important value. My support, real-time support, 24/7. And think of this support my guidance. And what does it mean? Well, I will help you to make a profit. When to get in, when to get out, portfolio review. So it's not only I'll tell you this is good, this is bad. No, I'll help you to make a profit. But yes, by showing your investments, maybe you have other ideas, but also combining my ideas from my portfolio with yours. So you can achieve this performance and even better. Then by joining this level, Titan, you have access for free to the other levels, Spartan and Gladiator. Spartan, you get other top free stocks every month to invest in. And here you have the track record for January, February, March, and April. You can see my past recommendations. These are different from what I own in my portfolio. Still, they can beat the market, but here are the best ones. So, right now for April, you can also watch the video top free stocks to invest in for April. Great prices, bargains to get in. Of course, if you like their businesses. And then you get also an investing course plus custom made videos if you want me to analyze other videos like this. Other company, for instance, a Titan member asked me to analyze Figma, make a video about Figma. So I made it. Sometimes members don't want to disclose their position, they want to be private. So every message, email you send to me will be private. So the discussion is between us. I don't share with others because they want to protect their ideas. The more they know about their ideas, the price, will go up. So they want to take advantage of low prices, definitely. And of course, Gladiator, where you have other perks. So if you really want to take advantage of these low prices right now, what the market gives us, join Titan Investor and a double this year. See you there.